When collaborating on any project, you're likely to have questions. For instance, who collected the survey data for this project? Who's in charge of environmental permitting? What action items were assigned at last week's meeting? At times like these, BIM 360 team provides a project wiki feature to help you get answers to your project-related questions. In this session, we'll look at how to create wiki pages. I'm going to start by selecting a project. I'll choose this one called Fish Pond Road Improvements. And right here in the directory structure at the top, we can see an option called Wiki Pages. I'm going to select this. This is the place where I can store important information specific to this project. For instance, let's say I'd like to create a wiki page to keep track of the project team and their responsibilities. To create a new page, I'll come up and click the New Wiki Page button. I can then give my page a title. I'm going to call this Project Team and Responsibilities. I can then come down and click to put my cursor in the editor. Now, if you've ever created a blog article before, you'll find many of these tools familiar. We have an undo and redo option. We can find and replace. We can create block quotes. I can add or remove hyperlinks or create anchors. I can add an image or a table, horizontal line or symbol. We have tools here to control text justification. I've got some standard tools over here to control text formatting. I can use this button to remove formatting if I want to. I can change the background color or text color. We have tools here to control indentation or bulleted or numbered lists. I can create superscript or subscript text. Right here I can control my text size, font, and style. So using this editor, I can create virtually any document I want. Let me backspace this out. One of the things I like about the editor is I can use it to repurpose text that I've already created. For instance, I'm going to bring up Microsoft Word. As you can see, using Word, I've already created a table that contains the names of the team members, their responsibility, and their contact information. I would like to repurpose this, so I'm going to click to put my cursor to the right of the table. I will then drag and select all the text, and I'll press Ctrl-C to copy it to my clipboard. When I'm finished, I'll click back in the BIM 360 Team Editor, and I'll press Ctrl-V to paste. Notice the table, as well as the text and the formatting, is retained. When I'm finished, I'll come up and choose Publish to publish my wiki page. Right here, we can see what the finished page looks like. The nice thing is, everyone associated with this project can now leverage this information. I'm going to go back up to the breadcrumb trail, and we'll jump back to the Wiki Pages level. Right here, we can see the new page we just created. Another great use for the wiki feature is storing meeting notes. Let's create one more page. I'm going to come up and click New Wiki Page. For the title, I'm going to use the date of the meeting. We'll do 2016-10-18 meeting notes. And then rather than typing this up by hand, I'm going to repurpose the notes that I created at the meeting. Let's bring back Microsoft Word. I will then click inside my notes document and I'll press Ctrl-A to select all of this text. I'll press Ctrl-C to copy it to my clipboard. I'll then click in the editor and I'll press Ctrl-V to paste. Once again, all of the formatting is retained. When I'm finished, I'll come up and choose Publish. At any point, if I'd like to make changes to these wiki pages, notice there's an edit option right here. Now that I'm finished with the wiki feature, let's jump back to the Wiki Pages level. We can see both of the pages right here. Finally, we'll return to the project level folder. So the next time you have questions regarding a project, take advantage of BIM 360 Team's wiki feature. When used effectively, it can be a one-stop shop for storing and accessing all of your project-specific information. Would you like to explore other Autodesk infrastructure ideas and workflows? If so, please visit the Civil Immersion blog by scanning the QR code or by following the URL listed below.